watch out. What level are you on? Because it goes up when you're carrying shit.
I just hit 6. I just hit 6.
You just hit 6?
Like I just hit it. Yeah.
Okay,
I'm just
I'm on
throwing shit
5.
down there to get it the fuck out of the way. You're on level what? 5? Okay. I figured this is not as efficient as fucking, you know, chopping down fucking trees. But this also is efficient by fucking putting shit over here. Ooh, where's that tree? Okay, it's over there. Let's click. Hmm.
Thunder.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I'm gonna go down there, so I'm gonna take 2 logs with me. I just saw something.
Try and see if you can build a bonfire.
I was thinking of something else.
I know, but just see if you can build a bonfire.
Should be able to just walk over to it and do it, right? And it'll ask me to put it in?
I'm not sure. I don't know. I've never built one.
This is what I'm gonna do. They are despawning.
What do you mean? They don't despawn.
Yes, they do. There's a lot less than there was before.
Logs don't
I think
despawn.
unless they're placed, they despawn. You said blocks. This is a
No,
Minecraft.
I said
Silly.
I never said blocks. I said logs.
Well, there's only like 2 more down here, and you threw a shit ton. I've only used like 4. There's like 6.
What strength are you at?
6.5.
Okay, I'm at 6 now.
Okay. We ready to go?
No, you're at a half. I want to get to you.
Oh my god, does it really matter?
Yeah.
If I'm a little bit ahead?
Yeah.
It's gonna end up happening again. Okay, whatever. It's gonna end up happening again.
Can you hear anybody singing?
No.
'Cause
I'm on the beach. I'm making something.
I'm hearing singing.
Any more logs you can throw down?
Just a second. Cutting down the tree.
I don't think structures disappear. I'm working my way back down. Just keep them coming. If I get hit, I get hit. Huh.
What happened?
I don't know if you can see what I'm doing over there.
Mm-mm.
I'm being a little, what would you guys call it? Cheeky?
Why?
You'll get a kick out of it.
What are you building? Jay, you can't build on a unstable, non-flat floor.
Who said I'm building anything?
Well, what are you doing? You're building help!
Come on. There we go. There we go.
Sorry.
What the fuck?
Sorry.
Seriously?
You just said a minute ago if you get hit, then it doesn't matter.
Yeah, when you're throwing them from up the cliff, not literally intentionally. You're a
I
dickhead.
didn't mean to.
Don't even fuck up. This is mine. Don't even build anything.
I don't think I could do that.
Really?
Mhm.
Are we staying here or are we moving? I just wanted to be cheeky and write something. Or are we building something? We building something? We're
Didn't you
building
say?
something.
Didn't yeah. If you do you want to or no?
I thought we were just gonna go nomad and just like sleep, but then again, I kind of do need to sleep at some point. It is the end of the first day after all. No, don't break that shit.
Why'd you put another one there for? I was gonna do this like an exclamation mark.
Oh, okay. Well, why'd you put it vertically? Why did you put it vertically then? I figured this was gonna be our beach house.
What, saying help?
Next to it, yeah. Why not? Fuck it. Fuck it. You know what? I'm gonna. How's that align with the beach?
Wait, so where are we building a little house? Do we want to build it there or I don't know.
Closer to the ocean doesn't sound like a good idea to me, but kind of in the middle of everything sounds better.
Do we want to sleep when it hits dark?
Yeah. If this turns out to be nothing, then fuck it. It turns out to be nothing. But if I can build something before it gets nighttime, fuck it. I figure just put like a basic platform down for you.
We can't put a platform. It needs to be. It needs to be. I think it's better if it's standing. So then it's flat ground.
No, I don't think so. I think it adjusts for us. How do I make flooring again?
It shows you how to do it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that's all the logs that we have, so we at least have enough to fucking oh, well, yeah, we do have these ones. So we could just put the tarp on this and sleep in this. That way we're at least not sleeping on fucking beach sand, getting
Can't
soggy as fuck.
we can't put the
Oh,
thing
well,
on here.
alright, alright, alright. I'm gonna rotate the golf cart around. So if we have to escape, we've already got a point way to, and we're gonna be going this way.
Okay.
Where's the tent? I don't want the tent to be too close, but I don't want it to be too far. You know, horror movie type shit.
I know. There's no point killing it.
No, I just ate a fucking oyster. Oh, didn't it get me sick? I thought it made me sick. I thought it would make me sick.
Do we want to sleep now or wait till it gets darker?
I think so. I think we can go to sleep now, and it'll fucking force us to the morning. He looks really creepy over there.
I see that.
E for save. Z for Z's.
It's gonna be dark.
Alright, alright,
Oh no,
alright,
it's
alright.
not.
Oh, it's gonna be dusk. Look, it's like early fucking morning
Oh
type
look,
shit.
there's a
Hell yeah.
rainbow!
Let's
Oh
go.
look, we found a rainbow!
Oh, hey! Hey, look, thumbnail. I mean, rainbow.
Thumbnail. Thumbnail.
I literally got a picture of you standing up underneath it looking at it.
Wow. But I'm a man.
Do you like our help? Do you like our help? Do you like our help? Do you
Yeah.
like that? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay. Eventually we'll come back. We'll make a beach house for that. Whenever we conquer this island, that's gonna be the spot for the beach house. This will also tell us if shit, like despawns or whatnot. All right, we're leaving, right? Yep, we're leaving.
Where we need to go next is, let me see.
Off to the left, isn't it? A little bit from where I'm pointing. Yeah, like across
We
the
need to
creek
go
and to the
all the way
left.
over there. That way.
Oh, 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 oh! I thought of something. I thought of something. I thought of something. Hey, hey, hey! Hey. Look. You want him to follow you, or do you want? Let's have him follow you. Tell him to follow you.
I just did a minute ago.
Oh, is he following you? Okay. Well, if that's the case, get in the golf cart. Let's see if he gets in. Because I was thinking about that shit earlier. If he'll actually come in and get in this bitch. Come on, motherfucker. Oh my god. This Nimrod. Fuck him. I need water too. Oh.
I was gonna say, where are we going?
We have to go across the river, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's where I'm going. But I'm going to a shallow part
Okay, there we go.
where I can make it across.
Before we go
All
past
right. Which
this
way do we
part,
go?
we need to go over that way, where the smoke is.
To the left. Okay.
I was gonna say before we
How
go
deep is
over
the water right here? How deep is the water right here? Is it deep as fuck or no? We came through
Not to the point of
right over here,
swimming,
didn't we?
no. But there's boats and stuff here, so do you want to collect anything?
Yeah. Go ahead and grab shit. I'm gonna try to get this unstuck. Oh god damn it. Oh man got it stuck. What the fuck? I'm pressing E and it's not letting it go.
Oh my god, the cart was somewhere else for a second there.
There we go. Let me get this across first and then I'll grab that shit. God. That thing's got a little bit of get up and go, electric motors. Ha 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 ha. I wasn't here. Well, I need to drink some water anyways. So fuck it. I probably could have just ate some berries, which would have been a fucking smarter idea. Money. money, rope, a rock. Is there anything else?
There's
Oh,
not. There is not.
you want to drive? Do you want to drive?
For a second, yeah. I wanna. Are you in?
All right. All right. I want to get in unless like you were making a decision on that. We need to go off a little bit to the left, don't we?
Jesus Christ.
Up that trail. Yeah, it's all the debris that you're breaking. Don't hit those bonfires. You will not break them. Where are we going? Up and to the right. Up and to the right. Yeah, up and to the right. Up and
But okay.
sounds like I'm lagging.
You are a little bit, but get the stuff that's here.
I can't see anything. It's literally we're still stuck on the beach. I'm literally host is not responding. So there's
Really?
nothing that I can do about that. Yeah, I'm fucking stuck.
I can't see where you. Oh, I think you left. You're not here
God
anymore.
damn it.
I'll stay here till you get
Well,
back.
I probably just lost fucking a bit of my levels. So hey, congratulations, you caught up. Woo.